guess what? I'm really bored. I wish we would go on a fun adventure. I know what you mean. Come on, guys. I do have a very fun adventure for you. I have this place we can explore. Yeah, which place? Come on, I'm excited. Let's go. Whoa! Not the smash and slide construction site. This is awesome, guys. Come on, Ty.
I'm gonna go find some ore.
Are you hungry for lunch already?
Skya, come here! Quickly! Look, there's me and you! Look at the drawing. Look, see? Skya and Ty.
Yeah, I see it. The smash and slide construction site. Who made this drawing?
Not me. I think this is the spot, so let's dig. We found ore, Skya! We found ore, Skya!
Oh, that's awesome. Let's eat. It's delicious. We can even play ore ball.
I ate all the ore, and I'm stuffed. Now I'm gonna crash myself. Blech. Dun! Are you ready? I'm ready.
Hey guys, check this out. Look what's over here.
What?
Looks like Ribbit has a plan. It's a drawing, everybody. Come check it out.
Whoa! Wow! I knew that would happen. Ty!
Come check this out, Ty.
Okay. I see the writing. There's writing. I'll push it for you, Skya. You see the writing?
Aha, there's writing right over here. You're right. What does it say? It's upside down from here. Watch out.
Flip.
Check this out, Ty.
Cool. Can I have a turn next, Skya?
Yeah, of course.
Is it steep?
It's pretty steep, but it's so fun.
My turn. I got tracks so I can climb up easier. Whoa! I'm going like this.
Looks like it's starting to rain. Come on, let's go hide.
Your tail's still sticking out.
Much better. Now we're safe from the rain.
Ding, 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 ding. I am hungry.
Well, let's look for ore.
Neat. Dig this one. Clip. No. Clip. No.
You found ore. Yay. Are you going to share your find with me? Yum, yum, yum. So delicious.
I took one big bite.
Yeah, we could play ore ball. Look, it's on this side.
Let's play tumble the ore.
Sure. How do you play that?
So basically, the first person to get down the ramp gets to eat the ore themselves. Do not push. Come on, let's begin. You and me. Skya, go right behind me. You have to go the same way I go. Wrong way. Out, wrong way. Hey, watch it. Remember I said no pushing and I get to push first. Out of the way. Stop it.
think it was a tie.
I got them first, so you're supposed to knock them.
Backwards for me.
Yeah. Do you want to eat at my house?
Sure, that's so nice of you.
This first dinosaur is
Tie!
and he's a super fun guy. He's not only a dinosaur, he's a truck. He's part of Dinotrux.
Look, he has a moving wrecking ball. He has moving arms and his arms move his head. He has a scoop as his mouth. He has rolling tires, you can see right here. So let's see him in action. He loves to eat ore, but let's move some tree branches.
What are you doing, Ty?
I'm moving some tree branches to eat ore.
Ah, look, you're pulling me. Help.
Shh. Let's throw this tree in the forest. Roar! Yeah.
He can also do the robot dance.
There's a potty.
This is Tun Tun. And he's a very fun truck. Also has a moving tail in the back that's also a wrecking ball. And he's got some fun features. When you press his head, his bed actually flips over. This is Skya, and she's also part of Dinotrux. She's an Apathosaurus. Her neck extends so she can actually tuck in her neck. And she has wheels on the bottom.
Hey, I want to get my oar. I'm hungry.
Hey, where's my oar? Hey, where's my oar?
What? What's happening to my oar? Finally, some food. Hey, where did it go? Oh no, it's gone.
Here's the super fun smash and slide construction site. It does include several moving features. There's a wall here that lifts up that the Dinotrux actually have to smash through to get down. Just like that. And then they slide down a ramp. And here there's a special cave that actually holds the ore. And Dinotrux love to eat this ore. So Ty uses his teeth to actually open this cave. Hey, what is that? Is that a snake? There are some carvings on the wall over here. And you can see there's Skya and there's Ty over here. There's another ramp up this way. When Ty accidentally hits this, something pops up on the other side, and that's a plan hidden in this rock. And guess what's in here? It's Ribbit, and he has a plan here. This is a drawing, a blueprint, and it's a surprise, so Ty finds it.
Oh my god! What is this thing? I think Ribbit has a surprise for me. Well, I'm going away. Bye. I'm gonna jump off the cliff. Oh no. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna find me some more. Ooh, the best ore ever. Skya.
What is it? Is that the ore you found?
Yeah.
Are you sure that's ore? That doesn't look like ore. Ore is supposed to be yellow.
No, that's fresh ore.
Let's eat. Ah! That's not ore.
That's a snake hole.
Yeah, let's get out of here, quick.
Well, that's it for us, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to click the like button, subscribe, and watch more by clicking the I above. Bye, everybody.